So that reconstruction is so under my skin, and I was just god damn it. So I just started showing you just random stuff around it when I'm passing by, because I particularly every day passing at least twice from that place. Oh god, that's gonna be, you know how long it's gonna be. I'm not gonna tell you now. Yes, random stuff around the reconstructions. Cool title actual. Yeah, and with my sunglasses, feeling so pretty and cool and so reconstructed. So we're here at the bathroom. So guys, I want to share a few things. First of all, I want full-grown beard all over my face. I want my facial hair to be long enough and everywhere. For now I've got only here a little bit, here a little bit, here a little bit, and that area here. So I need to shave. I need to shave myself. I will put from that white, not dirty thing on my face. Yeah, so cool. Actually, so nice. I'm doing that procedure probably once or twice a month. So I'm not perfectly good at it. So if I'm doing something wrong, please excuse myself.
Yeah, pretty much. That's it. I wanna share myself because I want the fresh new beard that came out from the deep dark jungles of my face, and that's why. To grow beard actually, I need to shave myself that time because.
Hey guys, alright, let's see how much I will cut from how many places there is gonna be blood on my face after when I am done. Because as I said, I am not quite good at that procedure.
Yeah. So, I'm not perfect, I think, but I'm trying my best to get out all the facial hair. And actually, I'm so lazy, and that's why I'm not shaving myself that often. But if I want full-grown beard, I gotta shave myself sometimes twice a month, 3 times a month, something like that. And that is the most scariest.
Oh, the first place with blood, guys. We've got a winner. So
his statement was that I'm shaving myself wrong and I need to shave upwards. He's 16 years old and he got opinion about shaving. And it was so professional. I mean, he was sounding like a barber or something. How are these guys weird that they're shaving you? How they're called? Is barber or it's not? I don't know. Barber.
oh, nice. Second place. Here, can you see it? Huh? Now it's better. Right.
So, yeah. Pretty much that's it. We're shaving here, hoping that the memory on the SD card not over before my final. Huh? That was I was talking about. That is what my brother was saying. I don't know why. I think that is the proper way, not that. Oh, I need to ask someone. Or did you know? If you know.
Oh, the third place. Huh? What do you think? Nice! Perfect. My face is like a battlefield. So
little bit.
Yeah. Oh. Oh. You know, if you're a man, you know what is to wash your face the seconds after you shave it. It's disaster.
Okay, a little bit of that. Wow. But they are very smart guys.
They're very smart guys who discovered that very, and when I say very, I mean very useful thing. Nivea aftershave balsam. So, and it smells good. So I actually I don't use that thing pretty much so often, and I told you why, because I don't shave myself that often, but it is incredibly useful. See that? That little white soft thing is gonna make my face really soft, really nice. God damn it, see that? 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm not quite sure, but I think there are 5 places with blood on my face. That's insane. I need to... I think that I missed that part there.
It's not good when you miss something because it's not good. So let's put that here on my face. It's so nice.
So that was my way of shaving. And if you think that I'm doing something wrong, please tell me and don't let me look like an idiot. Please. Alright, cool. I got a little bit in my ear. What? That's insane. So guys, how are you finding my face now? Do you think I'm much prettier? Because I don't. I like my facial hair. I want hair everywhere. I want to be wild like a monkey. Yeah. Wow. Alright. So, that was pretty much amazing. So that was the second attempt for amazing fireworks, and I think that was the beautiful, the beautifulest, the most beautiful, the more beautiful from the previous one. So what I was saying is about the daily boot. Go and check the daily boot. I'm gonna put the link. That's my confused father. I've got no idea why he's so confused. Alright, so go and check the link of daily boot. I'm gonna put the link in the stem bar. Point down. Point down. Give me your hand. Point down. So I will put the link for the daily boot. I will put a few pictures from the party from the other night, and go and watch them. See you tomorrow. It's crazy, crazy, crazy horse.